So this is probably the last video I'll take all season. So we completed all of the temperature sensor loggers, and we spent a couple days repairing mast baskets. So they collect seeds from various tree species in the valley. They're literally just laundry baskets with mesh inside, but they'd been chewed by bears and crunched by trees and whatever, so we had to carry a bunch of baskets through the forest, which wasn't very fun. And we had a ton of torrential rain. It rained for almost 3 days straight, and the brook was extremely high. We actually had trouble crossing some of the like the really, really tiny tributary streams. So that was pretty wild. I should have gotten more pictures. Unfortunately, I was sort of preoccupied with trying not to drown. But now we're taking care of Swift audio recorders for Cornell, and we have 2 days left, not including today, but basically we are taking out all of the memory cards and replacing the batteries today. And we'll be downloading all the audio recordings off the cards and wiping them, going back out in the field tomorrow and the next day to replace them, and hook up this handy dandy tablet to the recorders to check the settings and get them recording again. Then we'll be done with field work. So it's been sort of an interesting time filling with them, but it's been kind of fun. So this is what a Swift recorder looks like. It's a pretty cool little unit. It's just strapped to a tree and has a microphone on the bottom. So inside are 3 D-cell batteries and some circuit boards and a memory card. So we're basically right now just replacing the batteries and taking out the memory card. The batteries are incredibly heavy, so carrying them up the transect is not fun, but we're breaking it up into a couple days. So we're going to replace some of the batteries when we're doing the tablet work, so it won't be so bad. But yeah, they're cool little units, and they record, it's either 4 or 6 hours a day. And they just store all the recordings on the memory card, and then people at Cornell can listen to them during the winter and see what birds are out here. But yeah, finally done with the field season.